Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. How you doing? What's up? How's life? How's wife and kids? You doing good? Nice, very nice. Okay, so basically today we're doing Bitcoin Cash because it pumped up. It didn't actually pump that much, pump 5%, but it's something. It broke some kind of like levels, and we're gonna check out what's happening with Bitcoin Cash. But before we start, there's a very important announcement I have to make. Very important announcement. Now, to support the channel, you can click the like button and subscribe to the channel, but there's another even better way to support the channel while you get something out of it, and that's Patreon page. We have officially went that route, the Patreon route. So basically, you have a chance right now to be early adopter on the Delayed Adopter Patreon page for $1 a month. Now, this is the best offer you're gonna get ever, and this is your chance to be early adopter forever. Now, if you unsubscribe and you want to subscribe back for $1 in like 1 year's time, it's not gonna happen. You have to stay subscribed for $1 to keep the $1 benefits. Okay, so basically, $1 each month, you get at least a video each month on something that I found interesting in the cryptocurrency space. So right now there is actually a video that you can watch about XRP that I found interesting, that doesn't fit actually too well on the YouTube, but on the Patreon it does fit. So that's something for, if you find that interesting, you might actually want to subscribe and be early. This is only 100 places, so the first 100 people that subscribe, you got the membership for $1, and you can have it for the rest of your life, as long as you don't unsubscribe. That's the only catch. You unsubscribe, you lose your place, and once the 100 are filled, I'm gonna remove this. So that's the early adopter benefit. And now that said, we are moving on to the intro and to the main squeeze. There we go, we are back on the charts and we are talking about Bitcoin Cash, man. And Bitcoin Cash did some little pump over here, right? It went from some 270 to 300 almost. Yeah, it went up to 300. Till 299, maybe 299. So basically it went up to 299, and that's like 5-6%, and people are watching like what's gonna happen now. You see there is red candle is kind of coming back down. Now on the error side, there is a error side divergence, and a lot of coins right now has the same divergence here on the error side. I'm gonna show you this line in a second, but let's talk about error side divergence. Down here there's an error side divergence, and you can see it here, error side divergence on the 4-hourly chart, and this made the price move higher up, right? So the error side divergence on the 4-hourly, it's already played out, not something you should be thinking anymore about, but you can see the reason why it did actually stop here and start going out. And this is happening in all kind of altcoins that follows the same pattern that Bitcoin follows, and other index coins, I call them. Same pattern. They have the same divergence here. Now this goes back to the November, some 20 November, so it's about month times pattern. What we have here right now is this really nice line, that triangle that we got out of. How you draw the triangle, it's up to you, but you can draw it however you want. Anyways, we got our triangle. This was a retest of the triangle, and now we are going up. So the question comes, where is the next resistance? How far this is gonna go up? Maybe up here, maybe up there. But we managed to do the first step after the divergence, and the first step is to get higher high. So over here there was some kind of high. This is a higher high. Next step is getting higher than this, so that we at least above, what's that? At least above 320, or somewhere in the ballpark area of that, right? So we're gonna find where the resistance for that is, and we're gonna look on the daily for that. Now we're gonna remove the lines because we don't need any more lines. We just told you where what happened. There is some kind of resistance that we have broken, and I'm gonna show you. It goes around from where it is. It goes around from here to here. Now this was a resistance that we actually broken, and now this is acting as support. So if we start going back down, this is gonna act as support. That's the area or the resistance. Now when it starts going up, of course we have to watch for the previous bottom, previous top, so somewhere around here. That's the target you should be looking at, and that's actually around yeah, 390, 313, 390, 320. That's the area of next resistance, and that's the stop here, that's the bottom over there, and that's the next area we actually have to break. So that's why I'm saying the first target of the resistance is gonna be this stop over here. But if we manage to break the top, if the price manages to break the top, it might come back down to test the resistance again, just like it did here, and continue further up. So that's the short-term technical analysis on the Bitcoin Cash. And also make sure to notice the MACD. We are getting the cross tomorrow. Already tomorrow there is a bullish cross on the MACD on the daily on Bitcoin Cash. Very important because it's daily. You can see here right now that this support is broken. We are testing it. After the test, what's happening then? We are going up to the next support. If we break it, we're gonna do this. If we don't break it, we might do it a few times before we break it, or we might just get rejected all together. So you gotta always follow what's gonna happen. But right now the next target is around, I'd say 920, because this Sweeco up here is at no, sorry, not 920, 322. Next target is at around at 323, 322. At least, like, you know what, we just call it 313. 313 is next target. It's not much. It's from 291. It's not even 10%. How much is this? 8% up. But that's the first target. A long-term technical analysis or long-term price prediction on this is insane. It's insane. This is one of the three coins I said it's gonna go really high up. Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, and EOS. I mean, there are altcoins that are gonna go high up, but I picked those three, and you can watch the altcoins video I made like not long ago. Just check my videos. 3 altcoins that are worth buying after the dump, and I think these 3 are really nice: Bitcoin SV, Bitcoin Cash, and EOS. Really nice. But right now the Bitcoin Cash is doing some movements that are really interesting. Now let's clean up all the chart and just look at the moving averages for a second, and you can see the moving averages on the weekly are all on the same spot here for Bitcoin Cash, and I think that's really nice that they gather in one spot. So this is a huge support around 265. You see the price went there but didn't fall below it. Huge support. The price target, the long-term price target, you know, it's gonna go high. It's gonna, you see these stops over here, they're all gonna get breaking. 570, that's for sure. That's 100% for sure. It's gonna go broken, and once it break this line over here, 570, it can go really fast up, and stuff like that is gonna happen. But this is some kind of resistance because of the tops, right? And once you get there, something might we might have some kind of pullback or something like that. But anyways, 313 first target, 570 next target after that, maybe. Oh, keep watching that. Where's 313? 313 is all the way down here. It's nothing, man. It's just the first bump. Anyway, also let's get back to the Patreon page. If you want to support the channel, if you want to get more value for the bucks, $1 a month Patreon page. There's already a video. There is guaranteed to be at least one video per month. At least I'm gonna try to upload more, but it won't be daily. But it will be, and thing with Patreon is, like, I can upload stuff that doesn't go well on YouTube, you know. On YouTube you gotta upload what's trending, what people are searching and stuff like that. On Patreon I can upload stuff I think it's interesting to know, you know. And if you're into technical analysis, and if you're into figuring out, like, before the masses what's happening, probably the Patreon you wanna follow and check out what's happening. Thanks for watching. Will we have some music? If I change the music, I just got this Stream Deck. If I change the music, I haven't set it up properly. So when I change the music now, it's gonna change the everything, and then the ending won't be the nice. See, now that there's music, but there is no Patreon page. Yeah, I have to play around with that. I have to play around with it. Thanks for watching the video. Don't lose your money. You do your trades, I'll do my trades. Not a financial loss, all that shebang. Have fun. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. On YouTube, there are daily videos. Okay? Have fun. Bye-bye. See you later, alligator.